Hey everybody, the heat in my van was not working, so I had to do a couple of checks. I ran the van, let it get nice and hot, checked the lower radiator hose and the upper radiator hose. What should happen is your upper radiator hose should get hot once the car starts running. It gets the temperature. The hot water, the hot coolant is flowing back into the upper radiator hose to go back into the radiator. So you can actually squeeze on the radiator hoses to see if the hot fluid is circulating. In my case, the upper radiator hose was not, so I started there. And another thing you want to do is make sure that you check the coolant level. So I traced the radiator hoses. Like I said, the upper radiator hose was not getting hot, and it should be hot after the car has been running for a while. So if you look just above that, you're going to see the reservoir for the coolant right there. And I was low on coolant, so I put that in, let it run, and then it was getting hot. So I had enough coolant. So the coolant was circulating. Good. Now, if that was your problem, you can stop right here. That's all it is. And also, you can also check the hoses in the back that take the hot coolant into the cab and it circulates. That's why how you get heat when you turn the heat on. But that didn't work for me. I had a clicking noise also when I would turn on the heat, and when I switched it to the AC side, to the cool side, there was a clicking or a knocking or a rattling. If you get that, then it's going to be your HVAC door blend actuator. So there are two of them. Just listen for the sound. Mine was on the driver's side, so you're gonna just take this little piece off here, and there's some screws up underneath there you're gonna have to take out too to take that kind of that knee plate out. That comes out, and then you can find the actuator. Now, if it's ticking, you'll be able to feel the vibration and hear it. There are a couple of things under here, but the one in the middle is gonna be the actuator. It has a little wire harness. Take the wire harness off. And again, if you can't identify it, just let when it's clicking, just touch it or listen. You can find out where it is. Take the two screws out. The thing lifts out, and that's where the clicking noise is coming from. That's going bad. That mixes hot air and cold air in the vents coming out of the vents, and that's why you're not getting heat sometimes. And that was my issue. So you just replace that, and you should be good to go. So I hope that helped. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a blessed day.